So if you want to look for a certain word or a letter inside a string, basically searching something within a string, we can use the contains or the index of method. So the contain method returns true when the substring or whatever we are searching for is found anywhere on the string. Otherwise, it returns false. The index of method is rather returning an index, um, uh, which is the starting position of the substring or whatever you're looking for within the string you're searching for it. So if it's found, it'll return an index greater than or equals to 0. If it's not found, then it'll return a -1. Now, before going to examples, these are case sensitive um, methods. So if the substring you're looking for is there but it's not matching the case of whatever you entered, then it's not going to work. So what we generally do is when we search for something, we convert the entire string to either uppercase or lowercase so that the case sensitive string becomes case insensitive. Okay, so let's look at some examples. So the syntax is whatever string you're looking at, then contains or index of, and in contains it's just says if the substring is there or not. So unlike index of, there is no any other thing rather besides the index you're looking for or the substring. In index of, it tells you whether it's there and also gives its starting position. In the first example, we have the Boston, Massachusetts string, and we are looking for the state. So we have a boolean variable is contained, and it returns true if the city state string contains Massachusetts. In example 1, it is case sensitive, so since the case matches with or the case of the substring, which here is MA, matches with the city state, it returns true. Now if we had a substring M, capital M, and small or lowercase a, then it won't return true because it's case sensitive. So in these kind of cases, it's generally good idea to have a substring of uppercase letters and convert the string you're looking at to uppercase. So it would have helped if it was city state dot to uppercase contains, and within quotes uppercase M, uppercase A. So that's the example 3 where it shows to look for Dover, and you convert the whole address string to an uppercase and then look for uppercase Dover. Now example 4 is an example of index of. So it looks at the index of MA and it returns 8 because the position 8 is where the first letter of the substring starts. Some more examples of the index of. Here, example 5, it returns -1 because it's case sensitive. In example 6, we have this address string, we have this char index integer, and we are converting the whole address to lowercase and then searching for Dover Street, which is also in lowercase. And now here in the index string, you can also specify where to start from looking at. If you don't specify, then it starts from the first index, but if you specify another number, then it starts from that index. So it does look for Dover Street, but it starts from the fifth character, which is V. So it does not find the Dover Street because it had to look before that. So that's why this example 6 returns a -1 or an invalid index. So we can use the searching method to like look for maybe a state or certain phrase or a number or a name inside any string using these two different methods.